A. Hello. Are you waiting for the bus? B. Yes, I am waiting for the bus to the city. A. Me too. Do you know what time the bus will come? B. I think it will come at 9 o'clock, but sometimes it is late. A. Oh, I see. Do you go to the city every day? B. Yes, I go to the city for my job. What about you? A. I also go there every day. I work in an office. B. That's nice. Which office do you work in? A. I work in a bank near the main market. B. Very good. I work in a shop near the railway station. A. That sounds interesting. Do you like your job? B. Yes, I like it. Sometimes it is busy, but it is okay. A. That's good. Oh look, the bus is coming now. B. Yes, let's get ready to get on.